everyone, welcome back to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. In today's video, we are going to make a Rob Roy. This riff on the classic Manhattan, which is one of my absolute favorite cocktails. We've done previous videos on that. Instead of bourbon, features Scotch. It was actually invented in the late 1800s at the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York City. You can use absolutely any Scotch for this. I'd highly recommend, though, using a blended Scotch. Anything that's too peaty in a single malt can kind of overtake the taste. And in a cocktail here that's really spirit forward, there's no juices or mixers in there at all to mask the taste. You really want to use something high quality. For this one, we're actually going to use our Johnnie Walker Black Label. For this drink, we have a mixing glass with ice. We're going to add 2 ounces of our Johnnie Walker Black. And again, like I always say, guys, when you're making this drink at home for yourself, use the good stuff. Also going to use our favorite sweet vermouth here, the Cinzano Red Sweet Vermouth. I use this in all my Manhattans, some other cocktails as well. We want 3/4 of an ounce of that. And then we're going to use 3 dashes of bitters. The original recipe calls for Angostura bitters. I'm out right now, so instead we're using the Fee Brothers. It's a whiskey barrel aged bitters. It's a craft bitter. It's a really good company. I like their stuff a lot. We're using 3 dashes of that. We're going to go ahead and give that a good stir with our mixing spoon. Scotch, really all whiskeys, but Scotch especially really benefits from a little bit of water in there, kind of opening up the flavors. By diluting the ice in there, we're getting that and really opening up some of the flavors of the Scotch. We're going to go ahead and strain that into a coupe. Love the color on this one for sure. For a garnish, we're going to use 2 of our Luxardo cherries. Go ahead and give that a shot. Cheers. Very good drink for sure. You definitely can taste the similarities to a Manhattan. The Scotch versus the bourbon is a different drink for sure. If you like a Manhattan, though, it's worth trying, absolutely. If you got the Scotch on hand, you got the red vermouth, go ahead and give us one a shot. I recommend this drink for sure. Cheers, guys. Thanks for joining. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon.